Hey guys, it's Debbie with paintandwood.com. Today I want to show you a super easy faux barnwood painting technique. What we're doing, we're starting with the board. I've just painted black, and I've got a cheap chip brush that you can get at Walmart, any hardware store, less than $1. These are chip brushes. Now I've got some white paint here in a tray. I am going to dip my brush in the paint, dab it on a paper towel a little bit just to get some of the excess paint off. And then I'm just going to go over my surface back and forth. You're better off starting off with a little and going back and just keep adding until you get the desired look that you like. But you want to be sure to leave some of the black underneath coating to come through, because that's what's going to give you the aged look. Super easy, super fast. You can see where right here you got some of this weathered look coming through. Now when I get done with this, I will go back and these edges here, I will actually sand a little bit of that white paint off. Again, you can see here, it almost looks gray where my paints or the black's coming through. So I'm just lightly going to go back over that here and there, not a full coverage. Again, just to give you some variations in your paint. This technique can be used in so many ways, so many crafts. I even had a lady tell me she did this very same technique on a door she had. So that saved her some bucks right there. But I hope you try this. If you do, please let me know and send me a picture. I would love to see it.